Pickleball fans, get ready! The Pickleball Expo 2025 just unveiled 6 incredible paddles that could change the game. Whether you're looking for more power, precision, or cutting-edge technology, these new releases have something for everyone. Stick around, because one of these paddles might just become your next favorite. Be sure to check out the links we've included. They'll take you straight to the latest discounts for every product we discuss in this video. Don't miss out on the best deals, so make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 6. Honolulu Pickleball Company J2 Series. The Honolulu Pickleball Company J2 Series is a high-performance paddle designed for players who seek a balance of power, spin, and control. It features premium Japanese raw T700 terate carbon fiber, known for its durability and responsiveness. The thermoformed unibody construction enhances structural integrity, while the perimeter edge foam technology expands the sweet spot, making off-center hits more forgiving. The paddle's aerodynamic shape allows for quicker reaction times at the net, improving hand speed. With connected reflex technology, players experience a plush feel for soft shots while still delivering power when needed. The paddle measures 16.2 inches long and 7.8 inches wide, with a 5.5-inch grip length and 4.1 25-inch grip circumference. Weighing between 7.9 to 8.1 ounces, it offers a balanced feel in hand. It provides superior touch for dinks, yet remains powerful enough for aggressive play. The textured face ensures maximum spin, letting players add precision to their shots. It caters to both casual and competitive players who desire consistent shot-making ability. The handle's ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue over long matches. Built for longevity, the carbon fiber face maintains surface integrity even after repeated use. This paddle is especially beneficial for players who focus on finesse and net play, retailing at $145 but currently available for $99.99. It provides excellent value for its advanced tech. Whether you're working on your third shot drops or counterattacks, the J2 Series is a worthy addition to your gear. Number 5. Selkirk Labs Project 007. The Selkirk Labs Project 007 is an elite-level paddle integrating cutting-edge technology for peak performance. It features the patent-pending titanium mesh layer system, improving both power and stability. This paddle also introduces Selkirk's InfiniGrit surface, maximizing spin control for precision shots. The enhanced surface texture ensures longer ball contact, resulting in better shot placement. Unlike traditional paddles, the Project 007 has a heavier swing weight, providing more drive behind each shot. Despite its weight, it remains maneuverable for quick exchanges at the net. Available in both 10mm and 14mm thickness, it accommodates different play styles. The elongated handle is ideal for players who enjoy two-handed backhands, offering extra leverage. The foam-injected perimeter expands the sweet spot, reducing mishits. Designed for players who value precision and controlled aggression, it gives confidence during offensive and defensive plays. Whether you're driving the ball or executing soft dinks, it responds seamlessly. The paddle absorbs vibrations, reducing strain on the wrist and elbow. It's best suited for advanced players who require consistency in their shots. The durability factor ensures it withstands intense play without losing performance. Priced at $333, it reflects premium construction and advanced technology. If you're looking for a high-end paddle with tour-level features, the Project 007 is worth considering. Number 4. Diadem Edge 18K Power Max. The Diadem Edge 18K Power Max is a power-packed paddle designed for competitive play. Featuring 18-karat raw carbon fiber arranged in a triaxial weave pattern, it delivers exceptional spin while maintaining durability. The thermoformed wide-body design enhances control and accuracy for a variety of shot types. A sculpted edge guard minimizes aerodynamic drag, allowing for smoother, faster swings. The face's high grit texture ensures excellent ball bite, making it easier to generate spin. Ideal for players who love aggressive play, it provides plenty of pop on drives and volleys. The handle is comfortable and ergonomic, reducing hand fatigue during long matches. The paddle is designed for optimal weight distribution, giving players better control in fast rallies. The reinforced core enhances stability, making defensive shots more effective. While powerful, it still maintains a soft touch for controlled drops and resets. The thicker polymer core absorbs impact, preventing vibrations from reaching your wrist. The wide body shape ensures a larger hitting surface, reducing mishits. Whether you're at the baseline or at the net, this paddle adapts effortlessly. Built for serious players, it offers a blend of control, power, and comfort. Priced at $239, it competes with top-tier paddles while bringing unique tech to the table. For those looking to dominate with both spin and power, the Edge 18K Power Max is a solid choice. Number 3. Vatic Pro Prism Flash. The Vatic Pro Prism Flash delivers high-end performance at an affordable price. Constructed with Toray T700 raw carbon fiber, it ensures durability and responsiveness. Despite its budget-friendly nature, it competes with premium paddles in terms of spin and feel. Weighing just right for quick movements, it allows faster reaction times at the net. The paddle's lightweight frame enhances maneuverability while still delivering power on drives. With an optimized sweet spot, it improves shot consistency even under pressure. The textured surface provides excellent grip on the ball, maximizing spin potential. Whether you're attacking or defending, it allows fluid transitions between shots. Designed for intermediate to advanced players, it maintains control without sacrificing power. The shock-absorbing core reduces wrist strain, making it comfortable for extended play. Unlike some budget paddles, the build quality holds up well over time. Players who focus on precision dinks and strategic play will appreciate its balanced feel. It offers the same spin-friendly surface tech found in Precier models. Retailing for $100, it provides outstanding value for its performance. If you're looking for a pro-level paddle at an entry-level price, the Prism Flash is one to watch. Number 2. Mavericks Havoc 15 Pro. The Mavericks Havoc 15 Pro is a high-caliber paddle built for players who demand a mix of power and finesse. While official specs are limited, Mavericks is known for producing competition-grade paddles. The Havoc 15 Pro likely features advanced core technology to balance control and aggression. Its textured surface ensures maximum spin potential, benefiting topspin-heavy players. The ergonomic grip enhances comfort, reducing fatigue during long rallies. The paddle likely incorporates edge reinforcement for increased durability. Strategic weight distribution ensures a well-balanced feel in the hand. Whether executing soft drop shots or aggressive slams, it provides the required precision. A reactive polymer core absorbs shock, giving excellent feedback on every shot. Designed for advanced level play, it caters to players who need consistency and power. Its reinforced frame ensures it withstands the intensity of competition. If you're an aggressive baseliner or net player, this paddle suits both styles. For those seeking a pro-grade experience, the Havoc 15 Pro should be on your radar. Pricing information should be checked on the official Mavericks website. This paddle is geared toward elite competitors looking for an edge in performance. Number 1. 6-0 Double Black Diamond Control. The 6-0 Double Black Diamond Control is a paddle designed for players who prioritize precision. It provides an incredible balance of touch and stability, making it ideal for controlled gameplay. While detailed specs aren't readily available, 6-0 is renowned for quality craftsmanship. The paddle is likely constructed with high-end carbon fiber for durability. A grippy surface texture ensures superior ball control and spin production. The polymer core absorbs impact, reducing vibrations and enhancing comfort. Its mid-weight design makes it easy to maneuver in fast-paced exchanges. The paddle is well balanced, ensuring controlled placement of shots. Edge foam infusion likely increases the sweet spot for better accuracy. Players who enjoy drop shots and soft resets will love its responsive nature. The handle grip is ergonomic, reducing strain during extended play. It's built for those who want maximum consistency in their strokes. The control-oriented design is perfect for strategic players. Pricing details should be checked on the official 6-0 website. If precision is your priority, this paddle is a top-tier option.